Hello everybody. We are going to conduct a hardness test on UTM universal testing machine. So we have kept our test specimen between the lower and middle crosshead of the UTM machine. So we have attached this attachment and we have a steel ball of 10 mm diameter. We are going to increase the load gradually up to 30 kN, and then at 30 kN we are holding it for 10 seconds for the indentation. So after getting the indentation, we are measuring the diameter of the indentation with the help of that microscope, and after that we are calculating our Fresnel hardness number using the formula 2p upon that formula pi d under root of d square minus d square. So that formula we are going to use. So now I am going to start this UTM. So we have made the prior arrangement that there is a little gap between the steel ball and the test specimen. So now after starting the machine, first the machine will take dead load almost around 4.8 kN to lift its own weight. So after that we will measure our reading, actual reading. So along with me, Omkar Parodar sir is also there from Government Polytechnic Nanded.
Hello everyone.
And your project will be
I am Sandeep Bhatkar. I am pursuing MTech in MGM College, Nanded, and this is my project work. This is testing of hardness for nickel alloy. It is a turned specimen. Likewise, it has a surface, smooth surface. We are testing its surface hardness in this UTM machine.
So how many test samples? 10?
We have 10 test samples for different speeds. The different conditions are obtained and different turning specimens are taken. For that, the hardness testing is to carry out. Thank you, sir.
Now we will start the UTM machine.
Now we can start loading.
Okay.
Sample is placed at this point, okay, and a paper thin gap is kept in between this indenter and this test piece. Now we have started, and we have to first of all apply a dead load of almost 4.8 kN for lifting up this assembly. Okay, so lower and upper crosshead assembly weighs around 4.8 kN. So that much we have to increase first of all, load that, and then tear. Tear means we have to take reading from that. Means we will make it as 0. Okay, so loading valve is open. Yes, so slightly control that 4.8. You can see the load is almost here 4, exactly 4 kN. Now 4.1, it is increasing, and at 4.8 we will tear, means we will make it as 0, and we will start taking readings from that point. Okay, yes, we have teared, and as the load is increasing fastly, so we can say that load is being acted upon this object, our test piece. At 30 kN, we will have to hold this load for 10 seconds, and we will have to stop this. Okay. So after stopping, when we open this return valve, the fluid will come back, and this assembly will move down, and we can take away our test piece. Yes. and look at this. This is our indentation. Yes, you can see a dot on it, that is our indentation, and we will have to measure this diameter. And how we are going to measure it? With the help of this microscope. This is our microscope, and with the light we cannot show you directly through this camera, but we could measure this. Yes, so I will measure this through this eyepiece. It is almost 3.8. We would measure this 2-3 times and find out the actual reading. Okay, so this is about this part of our hardness testing machine or hardness testing. So with the help of this diameter, using the related formula, we will get the hardness number for this alloy, nickel steel alloy. Okay.